Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I work for Redgate Software. So last week I posted a video about the fact that I finished a book, that my third edition of SQL Server Execution Plans was released. Please go and watch that video. I'll put a link for that if you want. And yeah, I was pretty excited about that. Cool thing, you know. Finished up the book, lots of stuff, and then this showed up in the mail. Oh, God, it's heavy. Yeah, the 5th edition of SQL Server Query Performance Tuning. 900 pages of information about how to tune queries, about how to make your queries run faster. This information is applicable from anywhere from SQL Server 2005 to Azure SQL Database and even Azure SQL Data Warehouse. I strongly recommend you pick up a copy. I've plugged tons and tons of knowledge into here. We talk about bad parameter sniffing. We talk about the query store. It's just a lot. There's a lot of data in here. Execution plan, cache behavior, index fragmentation, statistics, data distribution, and cardinality. Huge topic, very important. Key lookups and solution, the query store, mentioned that already. How to do index analysis, index architecture and behavior. 900 pages of material. I had no idea I was adding that much to it when we started rewriting it. I gotta thank Apress for my God, for putting out this monster, and I want to thank Jonathan Genick for many years ago taking a chance on somebody who really probably didn't know what he was doing, but you know, let me write a book anyway. Thanks, Jonathan. And also, I would be remiss if I did not thank my personal hero, and I've called him that multiple times. He's called that in the book, and I'll call him that again to his face any chance I get. Joe Sack, my technical editor, amazing human being, wonderful person, and just incredibly knowledgeable about how all this stuff works. So if you want to learn from me, from Joe, this is a lot of our material. Pick it up, figure it out. We talk about how to use extended events. We talk about how to use the query store. We talk about how to use cache. We talk about all kinds of fun stuff. Ways to gather metrics, ways to understand what those metrics mean. And all of it focused on SQL Server 2017, but applicable to 2016, 2014, 12, 08, 08R2, heck, 2005. It goes all the way back. It covers most things. Now, some of the stuff like Query Store will only be applicable to Azure SQL Database 2016, 2017. But others are pretty universal. The let's see. Do I have any other points I want to make about it? This is unlike the last one. This is not free. You will have to pay for it. I'll put a link to the Amazon, or you can get it from other locations, of course, Apress. But it's 5th edition, 5 editions. 4 of them are mine. I didn't work on the very first one, but the other 4 I've worked on. I'm thrilled. I probably don't sound it, but I'm thrilled. I'm so happy to put together something this huge, this comprehensive, and I'm just pleased. And I'm pleased to be able to share it with you guys. I wish I could give it away for free like I did the other book, but that's expensive. So look for me at events. I'll probably carry one with me to events that I go to give away. But I mean, this thing's huge. You can see why I won't be carrying around 20 copies of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this material, please subscribe. Please subscribe. I've got a lot more stuff coming on query performance tuning, on Query Store, on Azure, on database fundamentals, SQL Server fundamentals, DevOps, privacy and protection, all kinds of information coming out on these videos coming up, more and more and more all the time. So that's it. I work for Redgate Software. My name is Grant Fritchey.